Hello from Datatoleads and Advocate Data. Today we're going to show you how to get some free leads from us. So we created this feature over the last months as a side project, but some of the best leads we ever get in sales and clients we ever get are from referrals and influencers, affiliates, you name it. So we decided to take that to another level. So being we have leads as our currency, we can offer that for free pretty often. So let's take a look. You can navigate over to challenges after you log in, and you don't have to be paying us to do this. This is free for anybody to do. Along the lines, just to give you an idea of what we can do and get you some free leads. So I'm going to go copy and paste this post. I'm going to do two posts actually. First post I'm going to do, you guys might have seen, I love dogs. So I'll go off and do another ridiculous post. Right? Not anywhere close to what we need. But we will go off and post it anyway because we have AI to handle this. So I'm going to go back to the challenge right here. So my computer is going to spaz out a sec, so bear with me. All right, so it went over. And basically, I said I started the task. All right, I'm not frozen anymore. So I completed the task, and now I want to prove that I did the task. So I really didn't complete the task. I faked the task in order to try to get my free leads. And we see it's not real. Doesn't work. But now if we go off and say, right, I'll show you how else. So potentially this might not work because I did say that it needs, I'll actually show you what I said. So if it isn't really a surprise, it's ChatGPT. So basically, I have a query, reviews, post this post, call to action was mentioned, affiliate URL, 5 leads were offered, ask me true or false. Okay. So now, let's go take a look. Still partially experimental. But the point is, we just created a extraordinarily low cost lead generation system. That's my new post. I'll go back to the same one. So it is interesting because I did say in here, if any of them are not true, it was not verified post, call to action, affiliate URL, free leads were offered. So I guarantee that if I were to go off to my Facebook post, and I also did a complicated one just to, so let's go save this. And we're gonna go try this again. Let's see. This is my third attempt. And there you go. All I had to do was now add that affiliate link. I can now go off. And I can see I got my one. And then I can also go and confirm that the AI worked, because when we go off to task status, consumer task status, customer task status, geez, I can't. And there we go. We see that it auto verified. Now we got it. So this is a white label feature that you can white label from us. And this is also a way, before dipping your toes in as a Datatoleads client, being able to start experimenting, getting some leads of your own without making much of an investment. I hope this helps. Thank you very much. If you haven't already, go and subscribe to our channel to take a look at all the new features we have updating daily. Thank you.